Okay, I see you, and I would like just to highlight. Well, you don't need to look at me. I want just to show you some utilities that we have in this transmission. So I will first show what I can do with the Hangout toolbox. I don't know if you have it. So I will put just my. Let me try to share this screen. Okay, so I am sharing. Oh. Okay, never mind. So what I will do here, I will put a name before below my icon. So I will put Monza, Italy, and I will turn it on so that when I appear, then there will be a name and a city below my name, and also I will put one logo. Let me see how I can add the logo. It was not here. Yeah, choose a logo. So I will put the Italian flag. Yes, here you are. Okay. So I turn on and I turn off. So now after I did that, I click again, and you see below my name you can see my name and an eye, and yes, you can put any logo, you can put a flag or whatever.
Let's see if I can do it. So
Yes.
I'm going to the left.
Yes.
In the toolbox.
Exactly.
Okay, and then in the toolbox.
Yes, if you don't find the icon toolbox.
No, I found it. It's Hangout toolbox.
Yeah, so you click over it, it will open a window on your right.
Yes, it opened in the right.
Yeah, and then on the right, what you can do.
Carlos Baradello.
Yeah, the first icon is a person inside the one circle. It's named the lower third, so il tercio más bajo della pantalla. Then you can put your name. Below your name, you can put the city if you want. And then there is a red icon written choose logo. So you could click, put a simple logo, could be I don't know, the flag of Argentina or whatever. Then on the...
Hold on, I'm picking up the logo.
Yeah, I just picked up one logo from Google Image.
Yeah. Yes. And then save.
Yes, you press save, but then there is a button in the top right written on and off. So if I turn off, like I'm doing now, it disappears. If I turn on, then he loads what you have written. Yeah, okay, now I see you. Yes, yes, perfect. Okay, that was it.
Okay.
Okay, that was the very short. Yeah, because in this case, people who are taking part, like Professor Tom Bax from the University of Eindhoven, he can do that. Also, I trained Bruno Kajiyama because he will also present one speech online. And then what I am doing now, I am just recording in YouTube. So after we finish this, I just send you the link, and you can have a look how it look like. Okay. Just to be sure, this week we will put 1 hour more here. So I wanted to check with you the time of your speech, just to be sure that we don't make any mistakes. What time is at your town now? Here is 11:10 in the evening.
And here is 3:10.
Ah, it's 3:10 in the afternoon. Okay.
Yeah. But there is because I remember that typically we have 9 hours difference with Europe.
Yes.
But now we have 8
yes.
next week, right?
Yes.
The time.
Yeah, not next week. So this Sunday it will be now midnight and 10. So
yes.
So it will become 9 hours, as you said. So
yes.
So it means that I sent you the invitation to speak on the 8th. Let me see. So you are going to let me open the agenda, because then I will send you the agenda. It's important that that we double check it. Let me just open the agenda. Where is it? Okay.
Yeah, it's important that I know the time.
Yeah, of course. Otherwise, we. So I tell you. So I programmed you to be after lunch. So I see here, yeah, incremental versus disruptive innovation. I scheduled at 4:00 p.m. in Brazil. So if I consider Brazil, it's 5 hours from me. So in Europe it would be 9 o'clock. So 9 hours less, it will be midday for you, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. Is it possible to have it a little bit later?
A little bit later. So what time would you prefer?
Ideally around 2 p.m. my time.
Okay, so 2 p.m. So from Brazil to your town, I understand it is 6 hours, right? So Brazil is 6 hours. No, not 6 hours. I said it was. Yeah, now I'm getting confused. So I should decrease 9 hours from my city. So if it's midday, I sum up 9. I find 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Oh, wait. If it is lunch plus 9 is 9 p.m. in Monza, in Italy. At noon.
Yeah, let me share what I'm seeing now. So I share the program that I have now.
Perfect. Let me see.
Okay. So this is the time in Brazil. So if it's 4 p.m. in Brazil,
I think it's noon here.
So it's 6 hours.
Is it?
No, not 6 hours. So 4 hours. So it's midday plus 4 is 16.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you would like 2 hours later,
if possible.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, 2 hours later is
no. Conclusion.
It's at the end. So we can only
right.
So I can, because you see, I put Bruno here, so or I can do it before. So I
no, because in the morning I have to give 2 lectures.
I see.
And that's my problem. So
when does your lecture finishes?
Well, it finished at noon, but I want to have a break, and I want to set up the computer in a quiet room. And
okay, so I could exchange half an hour. So I could put Martin at midday, and you could start at midday. If you
that's better. That's definitely better.
Okay. Otherwise, there is because we have a panel to discuss, but I put 1 hour for the panel discussion. I could also let me see, because I don't want to let's say to exchange the keynote speech without asking Professor Sakane. Okay, so in principle I would do like that. I swap you with Martin Propato, so that you have half an hour to. Okay. So
right.
I will doing this, and then
The interesting thing is when you send me the invite with Outlook, Outlook automatically consider the change of time.
Okay.
So
yes.
It shows in my calendar. It shows at the right time.
Yeah. So because I have put here 9 o'clock, which if I subtract 9 hours, then we have how much is it?
Noon. It's noon.
Noon. Okay. So I should put half an hour later, right?
Yes. The other question that I have is you need to find out whether they changed the time or not in Brazil.
Yeah, they have already changed it.
Oh, they had already changed it.
Yeah, they have already changed
it. I can check very quickly the time in Sao Paulo.
Yeah, it should be, now we are 4 hours difference. So if here is 11, then most probably it should be
7:17. Say 4 hours ahead.
Yeah. Now it's 4 hours. Yes.
Yes.
And in this, because there is this kind of intermediate step after there is the intermediate step. So between the changing of the hour, the time in Brazil, and the changing here. So it's roughly 1 month and a half.
Correct.
Okay. So I changed already the invitation here. So I just I move it half an hour later, and then I will change in the schedule. Okay. Okay, Carlos. Any other?
Yes, I want to know how to if I want to show a slice.
Yes.
How do I do it?
Yes. So you see that column in the left where you pick it up Hangout. You just count 1, 2, 3 icons is sharing screen. So if you click sharing screen, is the second icon desde arriba abajo as a
I see it.
Okay. So if you click it once, it will show some options. So or I share a file, so I have a Word file open. So now you see the Word file. I can open a PowerPoint, and then in that case I just open an empty PowerPoint, and I will change the sharing. So I click again sharing. So if you click a second time, then it comes to your face again. So it toggles between sharing or showing your
but I cannot do it, because if I do it,
it
doesn't do anything, because you see, I see your screen, the PowerPoint.
Okay. So if you click over it, you are not prompted any option. Maybe it's in the background. Maybe it's in the background.
Oh, right. You're right.
Yeah. Try to open a Word or.
Yes, I will.
Yes, I think we could take this opportunity just to.
No, this is very important. But I want to open a PowerPoint.
Yeah, try to open your presentation if you have it already.
That's exactly what I want to do. But so I don't even know what.
I see something here. Well, I at least I saw. Now I don't see it anymore.
But
Yeah, because you click it again. So if you want to, so if you want to change the subject of your sharing, you click once, then you see your face, then you click a second time, and then you share it again.
Yeah. Okay, but here it gives me some options.
Yes.
I think that I need to have it open already to the
Yes.
PowerPoint.
Yeah. You have to have it open because.
Ah, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Otherwise, you have nothing to share except your desktop.
right. Okay. So now, if I go back, this is different from Skype. Skype has.
Yes, that has a sharing because you can have the transmission. You click in a plus sign in Skype, and then you share the screen or you share other thing. So, but Skype is a little bit limited because at least with Hangout, we normally we have some conversations with my ex-mates in Brazil. Up to 5 people can talk.
Yes, no, I
Yeah.
believe it is. But I open it, the PowerPoint,
Yes.
but
And then try to click sharing, and then choose the window that is highlighting the PowerPoint.
I did. I did share.
I think it's because you are using 2 screens.
Ah, okay, I can fix that. I can fix that. I will use only one. Okay. So now I have the same screen in both. I hit
Somebody's calling
and
you.
yeah, I know. She knows that she have to wait. Uh, I don't because I have my PowerPoint open.
Okay. If you click in sharing screen, you are not.
I open it opens a window that I need to pick what I want to share,
Yes.
and but
And
it doesn't show the PowerPoint.
so if you click over it, then it does not show the PowerPoint.
No,
Yeah.
for example, let me pick something. I don't even know what it is. Look, you see, now I'm sharing a PDF, right?
Yes, that's correct.
But this is one of the documents that share. Now,
And now it disappeared.
but now I click again, and it's asking again to share something else.
Yeah, because once you click on the PDF, then you just scroll in the PDF because I
Right.
see it. Yeah, if you click again in sharing, then he goes back to your face. So it toggles.
But
So
now you can see it, right?
yes, now I can see.
A table, right?
Exactly. So you just play with that table, and then I see it changing in my screen.
Okay. And you can read it, correct?
Yes, well, it is taking, I would say, 2/3 of the. Let me see if I can do something else, because I can get rid of other. Let me see if I can. No, come on. I want to get rid of these. How do I do it? Yeah, I would like to increase it.
I did.
Okay. So I didn't. Yeah, I cannot increase what I see. So because I still see my face here. So I occupy, let's say, 1/3 of the. But I can see. I can read. Uh, Try to put in presentation mode. Do you hear me, Carlos? Hello. I don't know what I did. I think I disabled your voice for some reason. Hello.
I'm here. Hello?
Okay. Yeah, I thought I had lost you. Okay,
No,
I
no,
could.
no. I'm here.
Yeah, I could read what you show. So I expect that that I will be able to.
But I'm worried because I cannot show you the
The,
PowerPoint.
uh. So you managed to show a PDF but not a PowerPoint. How's possible?
Now, can you
Wait,
read this one?
wait. I see something black. Okay, questions A, great application
Yeah.
answers. Yes.
You see, I can show you different things,
Uh-huh.
but that's not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is a PowerPoint.
Uh. Carlos, I think in the extreme case, you could send the PowerPoint to me, and then I
No,
can
no,
open.
no, that's not a problem, but I want to learn. I cannot understand
Uh-huh.
why if the PowerPoint is open here.
Try to put in presentation mode the PowerPoint.
Okay, I can do that. Okay, now it's in presentation mode, but I need to um,
Yeah, if you try again to check, you could try to see if there is a special window only with the presentation open.
no.
No, huh?
I'm going to try one final thing, which is a PC screen only. So I get rid of the second monitor.
Yeah,
And
I don't since I don't have a second one, I cannot reproduce your problem.
yeah, okay, but let me see now. Now, still, when it opens a menu to pick,
Yeah, that
it doesn't give me, it doesn't recognize that the PowerPoint is open.
huh. Are you using open source PowerPoint?
No, 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 this is Office.
Huh.
It's Office, and I have Windows 8.
Curio. You have
Uh,
Windows 8. Now I got it. I think you should open the PowerPoint in your desktop, not open in the side window. So you could have your PowerPoint also open in the side window together with the other windows. Try to, yeah.
How do I do that?
Yeah, you need first to create an icon in your desktop of PowerPoint.
Yeah.
That's what I did for my brother-in-law because he was having problems with Windows 8. So I installed Office and I create an icon in the desktop. So when you are in the desktop of Windows 8, try to open the PowerPoint from inside the desktop. Since I don't see your screen, then
Let me see. Okay, so you think that this is a problem with Windows 8?
yeah, it's a problem with Windows 8 because he shows a lot of side windows and you can jump from one to the other. But Hangout, I guess Hangout is been working in your desktop, I guess, or not. It's a question.
No, it doesn't work in my desktop. It works like a regular window application.
Uh-huh.
So no.
So the only thing that I can imagine is that he will share whatever is in the same context. So if there are two applications working in the desktop of Windows 8, then he will share whatever is working in the same context. But that's just one intuition. I am not sure.
Yeah. Hmm.
Do you have only this computer? Don't you have a Windows 7 PC?
Yes. I can use it in my other office. I have a Windows 7 computer, but this I'm using my laptop right now.
I see.
And this is what I most likely am going to be using.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you feel more comfortable with that, so you have your files there for sure. The idea is not to create problems to you.
And the problem is, no, also I don't want to waste time setting up. Because it's never good to.
I see.
Now, how do I get rid of the toolbox?
Yes, I did half a minute ago. So you click in the chat window. Is the first icon that you have above.
Yes.
So if you click on it, then there is an X.
Yeah, I got, and then you get rid of that.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. It kind of, yeah.
Yeah, it's half intuitive. If you don't know,
it's not ideal, but it works.
Yeah, exactly. Also, you can trigger the microphone. So if there are three people talking, you could decide that one person is talking all the time. So you do that by, for instance, if I want to show only you talking, I will just click on your window, and then you are okay. So now, if I talk, I don't go to the center of the transmission. If I want again to allow me to talk whenever I start talking, then I click on the partner. So if I click on Carlos a second time, then only when I talk I appear in the center, and when you talk, you take my place.
Okay. I would like to know how I can.
Can you try to share your screen? So the complete screen that I.
How do I do that?
Yes. Yeah. You were doing that.
Okay. Full screen here.
Yeah. The complete screen.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what I see if I were in your. Okay. Yeah, I see that you have several windows there. Yeah. So my question was.
So now, if I put the presentation, can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Try to put in presentation mode.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yes. Well, I see two screens now. I see Global Disruptive in a big screen and a next animation, Global Disruptive Mega. Yeah, I see two.
Well, we can fix that because I can get rid of the.
Yeah.
Of
Okay.
the,
So now it's working. Basically, it's working
well,
now.
is it with a full screen? Yes. Yes, you're right. If I disconnect the second screen, now
Yes.
what about now?
Yeah. Now I see. Now I read everything. It's perfect. Global
Okay.
Disruptive Megatrends 2030. Individual empowerment, diffusion of power, demographic pattern. Yes, it's perfect.
Okay, well, because this is part of the presentation,
Okay.
and I'm thinking of talking about two because there is only one is demographic pattern, and the other one is the impact of new technology.
I
Can you
see.
see the slide? How's the
Yes, yes.
quality?
Yeah, I see a lot of people.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
here,
3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion, 40 years, 43 years. Yes.
mhm. And then projections. Well, this is still work in progress.
Yeah, yeah. Aging, a tectonic shift. Yeah, urban housing, world population.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
no, I think it's very good now.
Okay. Can you see this black and red is
Yes, 40% of the world's population is young and poor. Yes, I see it.
okay.
I,
Good.
I, I think your presentation will trigger a lot of discussion.
I hope so. I hope so, but we only have half an hour.
Well, I think you.
This is a very provocative slide. You see, so near and yet so far
Uh-huh.
in a world that is unstable and sustainable and equal, and yet more interdependent and interconnected than ever.
Yes.
Okay, and then if there is reason for optimism or pessimism.
Uh-huh. Yes. Well, I think if we do not wake people up, then yeah, in the afternoon, and I think your discussion is particularly interesting. So.
Okay. Okay.
So I said half an hour because you could have 15 minutes talk, 15 minutes question, or you can just modulate. So when when you will have 10 minutes to the end, then I will share something like 10 minutes, and I will make some
Yeah.
screenshots 10 minutes so that you know that you can let's say conclude. Well, just pick up what is important, and then we invite everybody, every speaker, to provide the complete speech and the complete paper
Sure.
later on, so that we put in our website.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Carlos, I think that was
I think
my.
we accomplished the goal.
Yes, thanks for your. Yeah, now you cannot go back to your picture anymore. Okay.
Let me connect my other screen.
Yeah.
And
Okay. Okay, but I think
okay.
the essential that is that you learned how to do it.
Yes, yes. Excellent. Very
Okay.
good.
Okay, Carlos. So have a nice afternoon,
Yes.
and I will go to sleep in a while. Okay.
Rodolfo, thank you very much, and we'll be in touch.
Okay. Very good.
Bye
So
now.
bye bye.
Okay.